Just driving up to this community out here in Montecillo, you could immediately see that it's a different community than what you see in the rest of El Paso. It's an exciting place. You see different architecture where you have traditional homes, Tuscan style homes, and something like this house we're walking into, which is a more modern design. And it is all congruent, it fits, it's very fitting, and you could immediately tell it's a different lifestyle to be in this neighborhood. Pulling up to this home, also you could see that it stands out in the neighborhood. It's a different tones, different colors, which is it's very modern. I could call this home a little masculine, which it really is. But it stands out. If you're in this neighborhood, is because you want to stand out and not be like the rest of the city. Immediately, as soon as you walk in, and you're received by this just living area. And it expands openness, and you could look from the front to the back of the home, and it's congruent. It just pulls you into seeing more of the house, right? The tile flooring, the colors on the wall, the color selection in this home was it just ties everything together in that modern look, modern feel that people are really into in today's home buyers really into. Just something that we don't want to miss out in the front of the home is where you probably be entertaining and having guests. There's a built-in bar in the home. Most houses now take advantage of the square footage, and you have bigger rooms, home offices and sorts. Not that this home doesn't have the space for that, but you have a built-in bar with a sink, with different things, so it's a perfect home for entertaining. And the key feature in this home, and there's ceiling accents throughout, but the key feature in this home is really the living area connects to the dining room. One very particular feature of this home that makes it very attractive, very elegant, is this chandelier that hangs from a 20+ foot ceiling. It just makes the home, it's inviting. You can't walk to this home and not stop and to look up and seeing the features that this home has here. With just the art on the walls, the natural lighting coming through this home, it just makes that home really elegant, and then ties everything together, and really what makes the design of the home. Kitchen has become the focal point of any home nowadays in today's culture, and this kitchen is no exception. You have things that are very cohesive with the home, like the stone matches the bar area, it matches the bathrooms, so that creates that cohesiveness throughout the home. And these cabinets as well match the rest of the home. This got little details like undermount lighting. The cabinets are really smooth fronts. It's got those small peeking windows, so you could see what's in there, but not really uncover all the mess behind them. And what really ties down any room is the light fixtures. These light fixtures are really unique and perfect for this home. And on the first level of this home, you'll find a master suite, huge master suite. Bathroom is an elegant bathroom. No details was spared in this design. The walk-in closet is just a dream for most people. But what makes this home quite unique, very different than most homes you're gonna see anywhere, even in the same neighborhood, is the fact that this home has a mirrored master bedroom upstairs. So you have a master bedroom downstairs and an exact copy of that upstairs. So it's perfect for extended family living with you, for blended families, or any sorts. It's just a unique feature that is not gonna be a deterrent for most people. It's actually a plus. Even though there's 2 master bedrooms, there was no detail giving up or anything. Same size, same features, 2 sinks, shower, and standalone tub, and a super large walk-in closet that you're gonna love. Upstairs, if you're walking up the stairs, you see the staircase is also a grand staircase where you get to feel the home. You become part of the home as you're walking upstairs. And you're received by 2 bedrooms. One of them here is used as a gym. Of course, that's a plus in most homes. And this house allows for that because it's got enough rooms for that. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs, include that second master, which again, there's nothing spare. This closet is a dream, really. This home was really designed to entertain. You have, going into the backyard, you have the built-in kitchen already here, covered patio, which is the heart of a backyard for entertainers. It's already built into the house as part of the home. On top of that, if you do like to entertain, this community features like a clubhouse, which is called the Elmont Swim Club. It's a state-of-the-art facility just down the street where there's pools. You enjoy a family, you could have fun with drinks. There's events that the community puts out together out here in the Almont. And on top of that, here you have tons of shops, restaurants, really walking distance. Now, the neighborhood is quite hilly and up and down, so it depends on how you feel. You might not want to walk it, but it's really walkable. You have the Times at Montecillo as well, where you have a great selection of restaurants and bars to end the night with. Movie theater, and it's expanding. There's so much more coming to this community, so it's kind of a hidden treasure, hidden gem in El Paso, and it's just gonna get better in the future. I hope you enjoyed this gorgeous home. Luis Carlos Perez here with Center Real Estate, and join me on the next tour.